Imagine a galaxy, billions of stars, planets, swirling gas and dust, a vibrant cosmic city. Now imagine that same galaxy, but completely invisible. No. Light. Emitted. None absorbed. Not radiating heat, not flickering with radio waves, just gone. A cosmic phantom existing only by its gravitational pull, betraying its unseen presence. What if the universe is teeming with these ghost galaxies, silently observing us, undetected, posing an existential question about what we truly know about reality? For centuries, our understanding of the cosmos has been built on what we can see. Telescopes, from Galileo's rudimentary lens to the breathtaking imagery of James Webb, have been our eyes on the universe. We map, we categorize, we theorize based on the electromagnetic radiation that reaches us. Light, radio waves, X-rays, microwaves. It's a seemingly ironclad methodology, a scientific gold standard. But what if this entire framework, this magnificent edifice of cosmic knowledge, is fundamentally flawed? What if the universe is not just vaster than we imagine, but profoundly different, populated by entities we simply cannot perceive with our current tools, or even our current understanding of physics? This isn't science fiction. It's a chilling, yet increasingly plausible concept being whispered in the hallowed halls of astrophysics. The existence of ghost galaxies, or dark galaxies. These aren't just galaxies far away or dimly lit. These are entire cosmic structures, potentially millions or billions of light years across, brimming with matter, yet producing virtually no observable light. They are cosmic leviathans, swimming in the dark, and their potential existence fundamentally rewrites the cosmic census. To truly grasp the unsettling implications, we first need to understand the bedrock of this mystery: dark matter, the invisible scaffolding that holds the universe together. The journey into the true nature of ghost galaxies begins, perhaps ironically, with what we can measure. We look at a typical spiral galaxy like our own Milky Way, a breathtaking cosmic pinwheel. Based on the visible stars, gas, and dust, we can calculate its mass and, consequently, how fast its outer edges should be rotating. Simple Newtonian physics, right? The problem is, when astronomers perform these calculations, they consistently find a massive discrepancy. The outer stars are spinning far too quickly, as if an immense, unseen gravitational hand is holding them in place, preventing them from flying off into intergalactic space. This invisible force, this cosmic glue, is what we've termed dark matter. It doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light, earning its dark moniker. It's the silent protagonist of the universe, making up an estimated 27% of the cosmos, compared to a mere 5% for all the normal matter we can see and interact with. This means that for every star, every planet, every nebula we observe, there's 5 times as much of this mysterious dark matter lurking in the shadows. And this is where the ghostly whispers begin. If dark matter forms vast, invisible halos around visible galaxies, what's stopping it from forming halos without any visible matter inside? What if these dark matter halos, possessing the same immense gravitational potential as their luminous counterparts, simply failed to ignite? Failed to gather enough gas to birth stars? Failed to shine a single ray of light? This is the core concept of a ghost galaxy. A massive collection of dark matter, a fully formed gravitational structure, a galactic-sized placeholder that for some cosmic reason never developed the luminous components we associate with a galaxy. Think of it like an enormous city grid, with streets, avenues, and districts all perfectly laid out, but not a single building, no resident, no lights. Just the blueprint, massive and imposing, yet utterly empty to our visible perception. The scientific hunt for these phantoms is incredibly complex, akin to trying to find a black cat in a coal mine at midnight using only a faint glow stick. One of the most promising methods involves gravitational lensing. Einstein's theory of general relativity predicts that massive objects bend the fabric of spacetime, causing light from background objects to distort or magnify. So, if a ghost galaxy, with its immense dark matter halo, were to pass between us and a distant quasar or galaxy, its gravity would warp the light, creating telltale arcs or multiple images of the background object. Astronomers meticulously scan deep space images for these subtle distortions, searching for the gravitational footprint of the unseen. It's like looking for the ripples in a pond to confirm something invisible just swam by. Another intriguing avenue of research comes from the missing satellites problem. Cosmological simulations based on the standard model of the universe predict that our own Milky Way and other large galaxies should have hundreds, if not thousands, of smaller, dark matter-dominated satellite galaxies orbiting them. Yet, surveys have only identified a fraction of these expected luminous satellites. Where are the rest? Are they simply too faint to see, or are they entirely dark? True ghost satellites, comprised almost entirely of dark matter with no stars to betray their presence. The implications are staggering. If our galaxy is surrounded by a silent retinue of dark companions, what does that say about the cosmic neighborhood we thought we knew? It's not just our local group. The Andromeda Galaxy, our closest galactic neighbor, also presents similar discrepancies, suggesting this isn't just a local anomaly, but a potentially universal phenomenon. The dark matter candidates themselves add another layer of mystery. Are ghost galaxies primarily made of weakly interacting massive particles, or WIMPs, which are theoretical particles that interact only through gravity and the weak nuclear force? Or could they be made of massive compact halo objects, or MACOs, which are more conventional forms of matter like black holes or brown dwarfs, too faint to be seen, yet still contributing to the gravitational pull? The very nature of what constitutes the dark in a dark galaxy is still an open question, deepening the enigma. Add to this the theoretical concept of dark stars. Stars that could fuse dark matter particles, emitting no visible light but potentially detectable by their unique neutrino signatures or even gamma-ray bursts. The universe, it seems, may be playing a much more sophisticated and subtle game than we initially conceived. The existence of ghost galaxies, if confirmed, shatters several long-held assumptions about the universe. Firstly, it would force a radical re-evaluation of how galaxies form and evolve. If some dark matter halos simply never accumulate enough baryonic, normal matter to spark star formation, it suggests a more complex, perhaps even random process than current models fully account for. It implies there are vast, primordial structures out there, frozen in an early stage of development, perpetually dark. Secondly, it challenges our very definition of a galaxy. Is it purely a collection of stars, or is the underlying gravitational potential, the dark matter halo, the true essence of a galactic entity? If the latter, then our cosmic maps are vastly incomplete, depicting only the luminous frosting on a much larger, darker cake. Imagine looking at a city map that only shows the lit windows at night, missing all the buildings, the roads, the infrastructure that makes up the vast majority of its existence. That might be our current view of the cosmos. The implications ripple out further, touching upon our understanding of the cosmic web, the vast, interconnected filamentary structure of matter in the universe. If ghost galaxies populate these filaments and nodes, it means the cosmic web is even denser, even more interconnected than our visible observations suggest. The empty spaces, the voids between galaxies, might not be as empty as they appear, but rather silently traversed by these invisible behemoths. What does it mean for intelligent life, for our place in the universe? If the cosmos is teeming with these dead or unborn galaxies, does it make our existence, our vibrant, starlit home, even more improbable and precious? Or does it suggest that consciousness, too, might exist in forms we cannot currently comprehend within these invisible cosmic structures, observing us without ever revealing themselves? The questions become less about physics and more about philosophy, about the very limits of our perception and knowledge. We are gazing into an abyss, not of empty space, but of unseen structures, unseen forces, unseen realities that are constantly interacting with the visible world around us, yet remain utterly beyond our grasp. To this day, the true nature and prevalence of ghost galaxies remain one of the universe's most profound mysteries. We have tantalizing clues, whispers in the cosmic background noise, but no smoking gun. The search continues, with each new gravitational lens, each anomalous rotation curve, each missing satellite prompting more questions than answers. Perhaps future generations of telescopes, sensitive to entirely new wavelengths or capable of mapping space-time distortions with unprecedented precision, will one day cast light into these cosmic shadows. Until then, the ghost galaxies serve as a humbling reminder. Our universe is immeasurably vast, and our understanding, as advanced as it may seem, is still in its infancy. For every star that blazes, for every galaxy that spins, there might be countless others lurking in the dark, silent and unseen, a cosmic secret waiting to be unveiled. If you want more mysteries that challenge our perception of reality, the next video explores the unsettling possibilities of dark stars and what they could mean for the future of galactic evolution.